Hello, I'm Tim Leitzel with Zircoa. Our motto is delivering what matters. So let me tell you a little bit about some of our products and what we believe matters to the customer. I'll start with these, which are crucibles that are used for melting super alloys used for making turbine blades in aircraft engines and industrial gas turbines. What's really important to the customer is maintaining high purity in the turbine blades because we don't want any flaws in that aircraft engine. These are steel making nozzles used to control the flow of steel in continuous casting. And something that's very important with these is very long life, high erosion resistance to maintain a continuous operation in the steel mill. We'll come back here to some brick shapes. These are a variety of brick shapes. We also make insulating structures, as we call them, which are just very high temperature insulation for a variety of furnace and reactor linings. This shape is a large custom shape that's used inside a carbon black reactor and enables them to go maybe 100, 200, or 300 degrees higher than they normally do, which increases yield and enables them to make new products. A large part of what they make is for the tire industry, so improving the wear resistance and traction and reliability of tires. We also manufacture fine grain ceramics, which are represented by these products here. And we like to think of zirconia as a very tough product. People think about zirconia as a brittle material. So here's a spring, not really a product, but just to demonstrate a characteristic of zirconia as very tough. Where does that matter? One place is in mud pumps that are used for offshore drilling operations. And so these are a couple of compositions. This would also be a composition. It's not a mud pump, but we manufacture these, and it maintains a longer operation out on the oil rig where they need to keep the uptime very, very high. And then zirconia also has just some very unique characteristics. This is actually electrically conductive above 1,000 degrees C, so it can be used as a heating element. And this is an optical waveguide tube for making optical fibers. And then we also make grinding or milling media, which is very small beads, very low friction coefficient, very high wear resistance and tough for milling things like minerals or dispersing pigments in paint. We actually had an application where with a large charge of beads, it would pay for itself within a year based on the energy savings, just because of the low friction coefficient of the beads.